In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide phone number on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Telegram app. The process is similar for Android and iOS devices. So first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down for a bit until you find the Privacy and Security, and on that screen you can easily find phone number feature. You can just tap on it, and that's where you can customize your phone number privacy settings. I recommend you to set the first option, which is called Who Can See My Phone Number, to Nobody, and also Who Can Find Me by My Number to just my contacts. That may prevent any spam messages and calls. Also, there is the list with exceptions, which is called Always Share With. You can just tap on it and include some users or groups in that list. You can tap at that plus sign and then select any user or group, and in the same way you can delete those exceptions. You can swipe left at the username and hit add delete, or you can hit add delete all exceptions to remove all the exceptions in one click. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.